what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I am rocking my puffs, but they are not staying because we are doing a quick style. My nail is broken, y'all. I don't want to hear it, not one word, okay? Glad we talked about it. This is what you'll need. Big bobby pins, small bobby pins, water, Marley have your choice, and ponytail holders. Here I'm just spritzing my hair with water so that it could be easier for me to style my hair. If you have natural hair or kinky hair, then you know exactly what I mean. Per usual, to lay down my hair, I use edge booster on my edges, and throughout my hair to slick it down, I used Eco Styler's Organ Oil Gel. I am just trying to stretch my hair as much as possible so that I can separate it, twist it, and put it into a neat little bun. I try to make sure that the buns are the same height and bulk because you will be able to tell a major difference once you put the hair on. So yeah, try to get it as close as possible in size. I love this curl pattern. For me, it is my favorite. Look at that. Once I identify the two bundles with the most frizz, I'm gonna slip the rubber band over and put those on the bottom. Then I'm gonna just pin them in place just to secure it. Next, you're gonna grab scissors so that you can cut the rubber bands off of the two remaining bundles. Then you're gonna grab your ponytail holder, wrap it around the bundle, and what we're gonna do is pull one side through to create a knot. We are doing this because since the remaining two bundles are going to go on top of the bun, we don't want the orange rubber band to poke through. Then you want to just close that space as much as possible. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to identify the side that has less frizz because that's the side that I want right side up when I put the bundle on. It's that easy. To take out a section on each side to wrap around the ponytail just to cover the bottom orange rubber band. And because it's so much hair with so much volume, I just want to make sure that it looks as much like a ponytail as possible and not just two whole heads of hair on each side of my head. So later on, I think I'm going to add more hair just to make sure that they were a little bit more refined. it was still a bit much, so this is where I add more hair. As you're wrapping the hair around, you'll notice that your bun will become a little bit more exposed. It's okay. Just move the hair around it to make sure that it's not showing. I mean, it's so much hair, it'll be undetectable.
Yo, this shit OP.
Alright guys, another quick style in the books. These packs of hair were $4.99, so this is a $20 style. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Love you guys. Bye.